Tech doesn't have to cost a fortune, whether you're a student, gamer, or just love gadgets. Today I'm diving into the best budget tech under $100 that will blow your mind. These gadgets may have a small price tag, but they pack a punch in performance and innovation. Stick around till the end because the last item is an absolute game changer for anyone who's into tech on a budget. Point 1. Wireless earbuds. Let's kick things off with something you'll use every day. Wireless earbuds. Now, we all know the market is flooded with them, but finding ones that deliver high-quality sound without breaking the bank can be a challenge. Enter the SoundPeats True Air 2. Cut to close-up of the earbuds with a sleek product animation. Host holds up the earbuds. The earbuds come in under $50, but don't let that price fool you. With Bluetooth 5.2, a low-latency mode for gaming, and dual mic noise reduction, you're getting crystal clear sound and solid voice clarity for calls, plus 25 hours of battery life. It's perfect for music lovers, binge watchers, or anyone constantly on the move. If wireless sound isn't enough, wait until you see how you can transform your entire desk setup without spending more than $30. Point 2. RGB LED light strip. Now, who doesn't want their space to pop with some RGB? For under $30, the Govee Smart LED light strip is the upgrade your desk or room needs. It's more than just a cool vibe. It's fully customizable and integrates with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Cut to host setting up the light strip behind a monitor, showcasing color change. With its 16 million color options and music sync mode, these LEDs can react to your games, music, or even movies. Perfect for that next level immersion, whether you're gaming late at night or chilling with some background beats. And yes, they even work via app control for full automation. Speaking of upgrading your space, how about a gadget that boosts your productivity without even needing a screen? Point 3. Smart Notebook. Next on the list is something a bit different, but equally exciting. The Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. Just under $35, this isn't your average notebook. It's a techie, eco-friendly solution that lets you take notes, scan them, and instantly upload them to your favorite cloud service. Google Drive, Dropbox, you name it. Cut to close-up of host writing in the Rocketbook, and then scanning the page with a smartphone. It uses special erasable pages, so once you're done, wipe it clean and reuse it endlessly. Perfect for students who need to stay organized without constantly buying new notebooks. And the best part? The app automatically converts your handwriting into searchable text. Talk about tech innovation in something so simple. Now, let's shift gears from note-taking to upgrading your entire digital life with something portable yet powerful. 4. Portable power bank. Running out of battery is the worst, especially when you're out and about. But with the Anker PowerCore Slim 10,000, those low battery alerts are a thing of the past. This little powerhouse is one of the most reliable portable chargers out there. Just $25, it's an absolute steal. Cut to the host, plugging in the power bank, charging a smartphone and other devices. It's lightweight, compact, and packs a 10,000 milliamp hour capacity. It can fully charge most smartphones at least twice. Plus, it supports high-speed charging with its Power IQ technology, meaning you're back in action faster than ever. A must-have for anyone who's always on the go. And if you think carrying extra power is cool, wait till you see how this next gadget can turn any surface into a gaming and workstation. Point 5. Foldable Bluetooth keyboard. Ever wish you could take a full-size keyboard with you, but without the bulk? The iClever foldable Bluetooth keyboard might just be the answer. For around $30, this little gadget folds down small enough to fit in your pocket, yet opens up into a full-size, responsive keyboard. Cut to the host using the foldable keyboard with a tablet, showing it in action. It connects seamlessly to your tablet or smartphone via Bluetooth, making it perfect for students or travelers who need to write on the go. And with its sturdy aluminum build, it feels premium despite the budget price. Typing up papers, emails, or even gaming on the fly has never been easier.